In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive version history. If you've ever updated a document or photo in OneDrive and want to clean up old copies to save space or reduce clutter, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and safe, and I'll point out a few tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft OneDrive website. On the main OneDrive page, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll land on your OneDrive home. Look to the left side of the screen and find My Files. This is where all your folders and files live. Click My Files to open your library. If you have a lot of content, take a moment to navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to manage. Scroll through until you see the exact file whose older versions you want to delete. When you've found it, right-click the file. A menu will appear next to it. From that menu, choose Version History. OneDrive will open a panel that lists all the saved versions of this file, usually showing the date, time, and sometimes the file size. This is helpful for deciding which version you no longer need. Next to each version, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click the three dots for the specific version you want to remove, then choose Delete Version. OneDrive may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to complete the deletion. That's it for that version. If you have several old versions you want to remove, repeat the same action for each one. A few tips before you clean up too much. Deleting a version permanently removes only that specific revision, not the entire file. If you're unsure, you can open or preview a version before deleting it, and if your goal is to roll back to an earlier state, use Restore instead of Delete. Restoring keeps the version history intact while making the selected version the current one. Keep in mind that version history behavior can vary by account type and library settings. Personal OneDrive keeps a series of versions automatically for many file types, while business or shared libraries might have different retention rules set by an administrator. Also, if a file has never been edited after upload, it may not show any version history. And that's the process. Sign in, go to My Files, locate your file, open version history, click the three dots next to the old version, and choose Delete Version. Clean, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in OneDrive.